Can't fight the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings. Can't fight the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't.
What's up, everybody? Logan here. NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're gonna be diving down into a very unique and amazing platform named Menger token. That's you can say Menger Para. So, if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. And it's perfect. You will be updated with upcoming news also. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own. Study this platform. Take your time. And if you think you can generate the best return, so you can join that. But this meme coin has a massive potential and it can hit 500 to 1000x in this bull run. So I already told you that it's based on Solana blockchain and you need Sol to buy that. So we'll discuss further, and please don't miss any part of this platform, because in next few minutes I will guide you how basically it works, and because there are tons of potential and there are many big names behind this platform. That's why it makes it special, and it can become the next meme coin in 2025. So here you can see, welcome to the world of Menger Panda. So here you can see the details are there, and you can get more information if you scroll down a bit. So you can see here the roadmap, the features, each and everything is mentioned. So I will discuss further. So here's the information available for you, and you can see here all informations and smart contract, and you can see here how basically you can buy that. So you can see here, you can click on, and you can easily buy $Menger. So here we go. So you can see here the pre-sale is live, so you can jump in before it getting late. So it's perfect time because it's quite a acceptable price at the moment. So you can see here the details, and you can get more information about that, and the launchpad protocol for everyone. So this is the detail about that. So here you can see how big are we. So total supply is 1.9 billion, and total projects in the 30.6. So you can see here all the details are here, so you can get more information if you click on it. So okay, next we will we'll check out smart contracts. So here you can see the detail about the smart contract. So here it is. So I already told you that the pre-sale is live, so it's a perfect idea to join right now, and you can buy it and keep it until it hit its target. It listed on major exchanges, and after that you can sell with massive profit. Okay, next, guys, if you scroll down a bit further, you can see here the news Menger in the world. So you can see here how they are explaining that, and the detail about that. So you can see here the information. So we'll check it out, all the details, all the information regarding this platform, because it's very important. And next you can see here, guys, you can see here the pre-sale is live now. And next the detail is mentioned here. You can watch the video, and this video will provide you a proper guideline regarding Menger token. So it's very important to watch that, so you can easily watch this video and get more information regarding Menger Pana. Next you can see pre-sale, pink sale finance. You can see here still 13 hours left, so plenty of time left, and it's a perfect opportunity to jump right now, and you can select this token and you can generate best return in the future. Next you can see features. Why choose Menger Pana? Because there's a lot of positive activities behind this platform. That's why it make this platform difference than the other meme coin. So you can see here the community driven, and you can see innovative technology and built on secure. Next you can see charity and believe on giving back. So hope so you can get best return. So next you can see here the tokenomics. It's very important to study. Total supply is 100000000. Name is Menger, and symbol is MGR, and decimal 6. Smart contract address is available for you, and you can also buy that. Roadmap to success. You can see launch website, and meet up with the Menger team, and airdrop launch, verify smart contract, promote Twitter, Telegram, and YouTube. And next you can see here more information about fair launch, promote Twitter, Telegram, and YouTube, AM with community marketing campaign. And you can see achieve 1 million market cap and next first token burn. And next you can see in phase 4, launch on major CS listing exchanges, announce for further donation for pandas, foundations will be released soon. And next you can see if you scroll down a bit, so these are the questions that need to be answered, and how to buy. So download Phantom Wallet. So you need the Phantom Wallet and get some Sol. If you don't have Sol, you can use any kind of exchange like Binance or Max or Bitmart. So any exchange you can use, and you can transfer Sol, and after that go to Redeem.io and buy Menger token. So it's so simple and so easy, but you need Sol to buy that. Okay, next, if you scroll down a bit, next you can see here the frequently asked question. If you have any question and query in your mind, you can get the answer of question at the same time. You can see here, what is the Menger? So answer is given. Is Menger a serious investment, whether we can invest or not? So you can see here. And what makes Menger unique than the other meme coins? So these are the benefits and the features that are available in front of your face. You can visit that. And next, you can see here, what the total supply of Menger. I already told you 10000000000. So this is supply. And next, you can see here, a presale is live. So don't miss this opportunity. You can jump in, you can buy that and use the BEP20 Solana, and it's based on Solana networks. You can copy the address, go back to your wallet if you have Sol, and just connect, and you can easily buy that. So hope so you briefly understand, guys, and if there is any question, you can join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding Menger token. So hope so we'll meet our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.